Yo, yo, yo. It's boy, DJ Magic Mike. Right now, you're looking at your boy, Definition DJ Byron D. Back again on the ones and twos. Been doing this shit all day. Started out this morning at the Texas Urban Music Summit. He opened up for the Definition DJs. Gotta say the boy did a pretty good job. Damn good ass job. Now, he done went from there and he's out here doing the Broncos roundup. You know, he always out here doing something for the little kids. Trying to help keep the little kids off the street, trying to help people from doing drugs, trying to help people from joining gangs. So he comes out here and he do this, set up, barbecue, he jam for him. He comes to all the football games that they have here. Pleasant Grove Broncos. And he mix for him, jam for him. Little kids, like, they look up to him, he like their big brother. And he enjoy doing what he do. I always told him, whatever you want to do in life, make sure you do it and you be the best at what you do. And he strives to be the best at what he can do. So with that said, I'm going to let him do his thing and get the camera out of his face. Holla.